today's video. I am actually so excited to do this. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. I know I have not been doing giveaways in such a long time, but I feel like July is the month of giveaways. So I was so excited when Nail Addict decided to collaborate with me, and they will be contributing a 5 set of gel polishes to one lucky winner. So yay! We're going to be doing a giveaway. So basically it is, like I said, 5 colors. I did swatch the colors where I rent the nail space. As you guys know, I am renting a nail table somewhere in a hair salon. Well, hair salon slash nail salon. It's actually 2 salons in one, but there's one set of hair, one set of nails. So anyway, you guys, I did swatch the polishes there. So I do have a I guess clip. Well, it's more than a clip. It's like me swatching all the colors. If you guys want to check that out, I will leave that in the next frame. So go ahead and watch that real quick so you can see what you're going to be getting. It's so cute, and I love the way they package it. So I'm going to show you the colors real quick, and then I will tell you guys the rules. Okay guys, so I hope you guys like the clip. That's what you're going to be winning. One of you is going to be the lucky winner. So let me go ahead and tell you how you will be winning this, or how you get a chance to win this. So the first thing is, I wrote some notes down. So the first thing is follow Nail Addict on Facebook and their Instagram. I'll leave their stuff in the description box down below. And then the second thing is follow me on IG, Laura_couture_nails. I'll leave that in the description as well. This bra is annoying me. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, then just do the rest of the other steps. So I will also put the rules in the description box so it's not confusing. It's actually not that hard. Last thing you're gonna do is comment down below your favorite color on their website, and that is pretty much it. Very easy. Follow their socials, follow my socials, and comment down below your favorite color from their website. I'll also leave their website in the description box below. Super easy way to enter. So that's it. That's how you enter. So go ahead and comment down below and do the other things, and I will pick a winner. Also, I think I might do it random, but I'm just gonna go ahead and post it on Instagram. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as always, and don't forget to join the giveaway. I love you guys so much, and until next time, God bless. Bye bye.